Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to use Street View on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to use Street View on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to use the Street View on Google Maps, first either you can navigate to the location by searching for that location, or you can just tap on any location available on the Google Map like this. And when you tap and hold on it, this kind of interface will appear, and you can see guys, interface appears at the bottom left corner of the screen. There's a street view icon available for us over here, where we can view the street completely like this. And let's go back and let's try this for another location by searching for it. And I'll be searching for a destination near me, and you can see guys, the moment we search, again at the left side over here, there is the street view icon available for us just above this panel over here at the bottom left. Tap on the picture at the bottom left, guys, just above this interface, and you'll be able to view your street view of the location on which you want to view like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to use the street view on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.